keep one thing in mind. Whenever you guys are re-gluing a new cloth or the same old cloth, do not apply or spray that glue on top of the grill. Just use it on the edge, as you guys can see. Otherwise it's gonna mess up the whole grill in the front. It's gonna be a little bit hard to remove that glue. So just apply glue on the side right here. And I'm gonna show you guys what kind of cloth I got for this. The cloth I got was a different color cloth, so it's not gonna get dirty. This is the cloth I'm gonna be installing, and I bought this on Amazon. It's a bit cheaper on Amazon than eBay. It's called whatever is that. So if you guys are gonna buy a cloth, just in Amazon search, look for or type speaker grill cloth. So from factory, there is no glue applied on the front, it's just on the back side. And when you guys are cutting a brand new cloth for it, cut extra. Don't worry, you guys can always like trim the extra. I made a template from the paper, so I won't mess up the grill, and I used masking tape, and then I sprayed the edges with this. And be careful, okay? Less is more. Don't use too much. And then I cut this to the size. Let's see how it looks. Look at this old one. So I'm gonna wait for it till it dries up a bit. And then I was using a spoon, to push it inward, so there will be a little bit tension on the front. If you guys use too much of the glue, it's not gonna stick immediately. It's gonna be like sliding here and there. So learn from my mistake. This is my second grill. The trick is, once you guys spray the glue all around, wait for 1 or 2 minutes till the glue gets tacky, and then it will catch the cloth. Word of advice: this grill is held by 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Short screws go in the front, long go in the back. This is short, and this one is long. Okay guys, this is the end result. This cloth is a bit loose over here, but it's fine. I don't want to put too much tension on the cloth, so leave it loose. If you guys put too much tension, it may come undone. The only other cloth I need to replace is on the subwoofer, which is right over here. But that's a big job. I'm gonna do that in summer. All right guys, you have a nice day. Bye.